So, what am I wearing and carrying for running the Shropshire Way 80k? My Merrel Long Sky 2 trainers, my favourite trail trainers at the moment, a long sleeve top, Ronhill leggings, Dex Shell waterproof socks, will they manage to keep out all that water we're going to be running through, a cap and a buff. I'll be carrying everything in my trusty Kalenji 50 litre running pack, with a cup attached by a bungee for quick drink stops along the way. Of course I'll be filming, so I've got my GoPro on a selfie stick with RØDE Connect microphone and a clip-on mic, charging cables for my phone, my Garmin and my GoPro. Unfortunately my Garmin no longer will last the whole run, so I do need to charge it when I stop. 3 spare GoPro batteries in a charging case and a charging battery pack. I'll be carrying my Harrier waterproof trousers and a Dynafit Alpine Goretex Jacket with a hood, just in case the weather turns really wild, and a lightweight fleece jumper just for a bit of extra warmth if I need it. Goodr sunglasses in the vain hope perhaps that we get some sunshine on our way round, an OS waterproof map of the area and step-by-step instructions, emergency foil blanket just in case, gloves, Harrier Walking Poles. It's the first time I'm going to be using these at an actual event, so I'm looking forward to trying these out properly, a fold-out mug, chest light as I'll be finishing in the dark, whistle, silver compass, basic first aid kit, Kalenji soft drink bottles. I don't like a high bladder in my backpack, I like to have drink bottles on the front of my pack, and I'm using the Talk energy drink, grapefruit flavour, and I've got some extra energy powder to make sure I can make up some more drinks if I need it, and of course a bunch of snacks just in case, as well as all the great food we'll be getting on the way round. Now just a small matter of running 80k, 50 miles, carrying all of this stuff.